Then the evil twin attacked the castle.
Wow, what happened next?
The good twin won. And then they all lived happily ever after because the good twin brought the evil twin to the good side.
Cool.
No, it's cool, right?
Yeah, what kind of animals were the twins in the story?
They were boring, made-up humans. You want to know what's really exciting?
Yeah, what? Run!
Okay. Whoa! Oh no! I tripped over a rock.
Go!
They're holding on to the fur of my toes, so I can't. You scared them away. You're my hero. The black hair on my toe is all gone. I can't believe those cats attacked. They were my friends.
Hi, guys.
Who are you? And what are you doing here? This is dogs only.
This is Alea. She's the friend that I hang out with during the day. Alea, this is Luna.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Like I said, this is dogs only zone. Get out!
What? No, be nice, Luna.
You are nicer to cats than you are to your own sister. Really?
I'm not nice. The moment you got here, you're just being rude. So what if she's a cat?
Don't you remember what they did to me?
Maybe I should go.
Yes, you can go. Sorry for all of this. I promise I'll be there at midday.
Okay. Bye.
How dare you do this? What were you thinking?
You know what I was thinking.
That's creepy. Why is there a mole building that's brewing right next to our house anyway?
Roll out of here. We were having an important discussion.
Look, don't be mean to Alea. You're just jealous about everything. Simple scars all the way to this.
My white toe is one thing, but this is another. You can't be friends with a cat.
Ouch! Why did you do that?
I did something.
You bit me.
Oh, that. I'm so sorry. Maybe I could do it again.
Why would you do that? I thought we were friends. Friends don't bite each other.
Hi, sorry I'm late.
Luna, what are you doing here? Get away!
I'm not Luna, I'm Duke.
What is going on here?
I should be asking that. What are you up to, Luna?
Dare you impersonate me? I'm Duke. And so what if I bit her? I like biting people.
But I just got here. What is even going on?
I don't trust either of you. Someone bit me, and I'm going to the authorities to get this matter settled.
Maybe I'll leave now. It's time for lunch.
My evil plan is unfolding.
We are hearing case number 3456, fighting like cats and dogs. Who would like to begin?
Me!
Okay, Mr. Duke, what's your story?
I was framed. This is all lies.
He bit me. I have the scar to prove it.
What? No, Luna did.
Who is Luna? Did you witness the biting?
It's kind of a long story. My brother is my evil twin. He bit Alea. He likes biting people. I was there. I saw him.
Wait a minute. Luna didn't arrive until after the bite.
Exactly.
What are you saying? I was bitten by Duke, and Luna arrived later when Duke and I were arguing about it. Luna, or the twin I thought was Luna, wasn't there to see the twin I thought was Duke biting me.
I knew Duke was no good. And so I followed him and hid in the bushes and saw the whole thing.
That is lies. I was just coming for a minute hangout when Luna attacked her.
Well, it just so happens I have a witness statement. Mozelda V. Digger submitted her statement, which reads, I, Mozelda V. Digger, saw Luna coloring her white toe with a Sharpie to disguise herself before biting Alea. Guards, stop her! Bring her back here! Luna, what do you have to say for yourself?
Well, I don't feel like I did anything too wrong. I was attacked by a cat when I was little, and it made me very fearful of cats.
Well, you biting Alea must be punished, but it can be a softer punishment if you could say you're sorry. Would that be okay? Certainly. Luna?
I shouldn't have treated you like I did, Alea. I'm sorry. There was so much fear in my heart. And Duke, that is no excuse for framing you. I'm sorry.
I accept your apology.
I accept your apology.
I'm so sorry for what happened to you when we were little. Alea isn't like those cats, and not every cat attacks. I'm sure we can all be friends.
Me too.
Me three!